This is me eating an apple. Because some people like to watch this shit. I don't know why. I eat one of these every day for lunch. And a banana. And an orange. And 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that I already ate 1.5 of. And a kiwi that I already ate. Every day. That's what I eat for lunch. Or something close to that. You want to hear me chew this fucking thing loud? Sometimes apples taste better when you fucking smack your lips. I don't know why that is. You shouldn't do that in public. I don't know if you guys like that or not, but I see videos of people eating stuff. Not sure what anyone gets out of that, but you want to see what Dirty Honey eats for lunch? That's it right there. Nature made that. No factory necessary. Single ingredient. It's just an apple. Nothing else. It's an organic apple. If it wasn't organic, potentially you're getting more ingredients in there, like pesticides and shit. So that's what organic's all about. That's why people like the organic stuff, because they're not eating a bunch of pesticide. Even though you probably wash your fruit, or you should. Like I say on my diet video, you can eat as much as you want of whatever it is that you want, as long as what you want is stuff like this. Not candy and shit. And you start eating good stuff like this, that's what your body really wants, and it'll enjoy the shit out of it. But that's me eating an apple. All gone. Then I'm going to take this and put it in the trash. So that's how to eat an apple. Okay, in case you guys didn't know, this is Dirty Honey reminding you to be nice. Eat an apple a day and it'll keep the doctor away. That's what they say. That rhymed. That was a good apple. And with regard to apples, my favorite apples are Honeycrisp apples. They're freaking delicious, man. You know, I like Red Delicious apples too. Those ones are good. But That's probably my two favorite apple types that I know of anyways. Not a big fan of the green sour ones. But unless it's in pie or something, or you make some sort of something you're going to put on your ice cream or something like that. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Be nice. And listen to 91.5 FM on the radio, KUSC.org on the internet. Help you digest. Help you digest that apple and whatever it is else that you're eating. All right, man. We'll see you guys later. Bye.